What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. It's been a minute since I did a YouTube dedicated video. I'm always on Twitch, guys. You guys should follow the Twitch. I am gonna go be live streaming at 3 p.m. PST today. We got 47.1k followers. Let's go. But if you haven't checked it out, please come through, subscribe, and see you guys there. We're gonna check out Jackson Blow. Now, I saw the teasers on Twitch. If you guys haven't followed, please follow. And if you haven't followed the Discord, link in the description down below. But Blow, just from the teasers, it looks so good. It looks like an orgy, low-key. Pause. I'm so sorry for those who don't know what an orgy is. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. If you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. But enough talking. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Jackson Blow. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. It has an eerie feel to it too. Like from the teasers, and I guess it's the same thing. Or just everybody just sleeping on top of each other. How is that comfortable? This man is fully awake. This party looks like crazy, but I don't know if I don't know. I've never been to a party where I just passed out on top of people. Obviously this is fake, but okay, there's Jackson. That's a cool shot though. Like reversing that ish, but is it reverse? I don't know what to say to that. Okay, look, moving on. Oh. They just squirming like some worms. Ooh. Oh, you're addicted. Okay. Whoa, okay. You pull me back. Okay. Ooh, Jackson! Oh yeah, he's wearing a corset too. Damn,
But I'm addicted to it. Yeah, I'm addicted to it. Yeah. I felt a I'm in a belly of the beast again.
This is all in English too. Oh yeah, that scene when they're all just like laying on him when he just sat down. Oh, the dancers are pulling through. Let's go, dancers. Okay. Ooh. We out here, we partying, dancing, corsets. I'm Jackson, no mess. We got these dancers and we. Ooh, what an interesting. I like that. Yo, Jackson keeps on improving each time I see him with a comeback. Real talk. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I love the filming of this already. Ooh, the imagery in this music video is fire. Okay, now I want to be a part of this. You know already this place probably smells like. I'm not saying they smell like they are musty people, but you know, just based on like what the area is, it's like, this place smells, that has a hint of smell somewhere. I don't know what type of smell, but some type of hint. Ooh. Oh, okay, Jackson. What you want her to do? Damn. Wait, is that someone I know? Oh, no, never mind. Okay.
Passed out in the back of my car.
That happens sometimes. Damn, you look good.
Night before.
Been there.
How we let it get this far.
That shit happens sometimes. Ooh. Man, stop your handsome ass, bruh. Magic Man. Yeah, Magic Man? What kind of magic we talking about? You know what I'm saying? Like the, hey, I see color magic. I see colors. I see the sounds. I see the sounds. Kind of magic? Or are we just like making like, pick a card kind of magic? What type of magic we talking about, Jackson? Every time, like I said, every time I see Jackson, he always like improves himself, whether it be cinematic, just the sound, just as an artist himself. It's impressive. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Jackson's blow. So when I first heard about the title, I was like, what type of blow are we talking about? There's so many different types of blow. We could be like wind blowing. We could be like the hard type of blow. If you guys know what I'm talking about, the hard stuff. Or, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, no. Or a blow. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Again, check me out on Discord. Go follow the Discord link in the description. Go follow us. It's a great community. And it tells you what I'm doing up or what videos I drop. Because some people don't be receiving my subscriptions on YouTube because YouTube on that bull. But hit that bell, hit that subscribe, share this video, like this video. You already know what to do. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Aight? If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.